Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel PlayLearn family. Which is the largest country in the world? Answer: Russia. Explanation: there are 195 countries in the world today. In the world, the largest country is Russia with a total area of 17,098,242 km superscript 2 and a land area of 16,376,870 km superscript 2, which is equivalent to 11% of the total land mass of the world. Which is the largest airport in the world? Answer: King Fahd International Airport. Explanation: the largest airport in the world is King Fahd International Airport. The King Fahd International Airport is located in Dammam, Saudi Arabia, with the area of the airport property being approximate 776 square kilometers. Which is the world's largest aquarium? Answer: Chimelong Ocean Kingdom. Explanation: the largest aquarium in the world is Chimelong Ocean Kingdom with a total of 48.75 million liters, 12,880,000 US gall, 10,720,000 imp gall of water. Which is the world's largest active volcano? Answer: Mauna Loa. Explanation: the largest active volcano in the world is Mauna Loa. The Mauna Loa volcano is located on Hawaii Island. Which is the world's largest archipelago? Answer: the Malay Archipelago. Explanation: the largest archipelago in the world is the Malay Archipelago. It is located between the Pacific and Indian Oceans with more than 25,000 islands in Southeast Asia. Its thousands of islands are part of Indonesia and Malaysia. Which is the world's largest airline? Answer: American Airlines Group. Explanation: the largest airline in the world is American Airlines Group with a current fleet of over 900 aircraft. Which is the world's largest aircraft? Answer: Scaled Composite Stratolaunch. Explanation: in largest aircraft in the world is the Scaled Composite Stratolaunch with a wingspan of 385 feet, which is longer than any other aircraft in the world. Its first flight was on 13th April 2019. Which is the world's largest bank? Answer: Industrial and Commercial Bank of China Limited. Explanation: Industrial and Commercial Bank of China Ltd is the largest bank in the world. Which is the largest river in the world? Answer: Nile. Explanation: the Nile is the longest river in the world. It is a major north-flowing river in northeastern Africa. Its length is 6,650 kilometers. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer: the Pacific Ocean. Explanation: the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world's ocean basins. It covers approximately 63 million square miles. Which is the largest crater in the world? Answer: Vredefort Fort. Explanation: the Vredefort Fort is the biggest confirmed crater on Earth and is roughly 2 billion years old. Which is the largest continent in the world? Answer: Asia. Explanation: the largest continent in the world is Asia. Among the 7 continents, Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Oceania, Europe, North America, and South America. Which is the largest city in the world based on municipality area? Answer: Chongqing. Explanation: based on the municipality area, the largest city in the world is Chongqing. Chongqing is the most popular city in China. The minimality area of Chongqing city is 82,403 square kilometers. Which is the largest city in the world based on the built-up area? Answer: New York. Explanation: based on the built-up area, the largest city in the world is New York. New York is the most popular city in the United States of America. The built-up area of New York City is 12,093 square kilometers. Which is the largest city in the world based on population? Answer: Tokyo. Explanation: based on the population, the largest city in the world is Tokyo. Tokyo City is the most popular city and capital of Japan. The population of Tokyo City is 14,094,034. Which is the largest desert in the world? Answer: Antarctic Polar Desert. Explanation: the largest desert in the world is the Antarctic Polar Desert. It covers approximately 98% continent of Antarctica and ice-covered parts of the Southern Ocean that surrounds it. Which is the largest creature in the world? Answer: blue whale. Explanation: the currently alive largest creature in the world is the blue whale. Its maximum recorded weight was 190 tons for a specimen measuring 27.6 meters, 91 feet. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. Explanation: the largest hot desert in the world is the Sahara Desert, which is located in North Africa with an area of 9,400,000 square kilometers. Which is the largest island in the world? Answer: Greenland. Explanation: the largest island in the world is Greenland with an area of 2,166,086 square kilometers and a meager population of 56,452. Which is the largest stadium in the world? Answer: Rangrado 1st of May Stadium. Explanation: the largest stadium in the world is Rangrado 1st of May Stadium, which was built in 1989 with having current capacity of 150,000 people. Which is the largest country in the world based on the population in 2023? Answer: India. Explanation: the largest country in the world based on the population in 2023 is India. Before it was China. India's population in 2023 is 1,428,627,663, whereas China's population is 1,425,671,352. Which is the largest lake in the world? Answer: Caspian Sea. Explanation: the largest lake in the world by a long shot is the Caspian Sea. Which is the largest flower in the world? Answer: Rafflesia arnoldi. Explanation: the largest flower in the world is Rafflesia arnoldi, which is a parasitic plant found in Southeast Asia. Which is the largest airport by passenger traffic in the world? Answer: Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, USA. Explanation: the largest airport by passenger traffic in the world is Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, USA. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? Answer: the Andes. Explanation: the longest mountain range in the world is Andes Mountains, which is located in South America with having approximately 7,000 kilometers, 4,300 miles, long. Which is the longest bridge in the world? Answer: the Nyankunshan Grand Bridge. Explanation: the longest bridge in the world is the Nyankunshan Grand Bridge on the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway. Its length is 164.8 kilometers. Which is the longest tunnel in the world? Answer: Gotthard Base Tunnel. Explanation: the longest tunnel in the world is the Gotthard Base Tunnel, which is a railway tunnel through the Alps in Switzerland with a route length of 57.09 kilometers. Which is the longest wall in the world? Answer: Great Wall of China. Explanation: the longest wall in the world is the Great Wall of China with a length of over 21,196 kilometers, 13,171 miles. Which is the longest road in the world? Answer: Pan American Highway. Explanation: the longest road in the world is the Pan American Highway with a length of approximately 19,000 kilometers, 11,800 miles. Which is the longest canal in the world? Answer: Grand Canal of China. Explanation: the longest canal in the world is the Grand Canal of China, which is approximately 1,776 kilometers, 1,104 miles, long. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for my channel PlayLearn family. Thanks for watching.